Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2023 Ford F-150 Lariat. Coming in this nice agate black coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 3.5 liter power boost full hybrid engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the black appearance package, Lariat Sport package, as well as the trailer tow package. Taking a look at the back here, we do have rear park sensing, we do have a dual exhaust, you have your tow hitch right there, backup camera. We also have mud flaps on rear and front wheel wells, as well as a nice script running board. We have a side view camera and blind spot detection. And moving to the front, we have front park sensing, two tow hooks, license plate bracket, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle comfortably seats up to 5. We do have this nice black perforated leathering. Plenty of door space as well, with some blue leathering on the door. We have two cup holders right there, two heated back seats, 12 volt, USB and USB-C, and 120 volt. And if you don't need that extra person, we do have two cup holders and some arm space. We also have a twin panel moonroof, which keeps the vehicle nice and light inside. And of course, if you need a little extra room, you can always lift up the seats. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see we do have powered seats with the same black leathering we saw in the back there, but we get the additional B&O sound system in the headrest. We do have plenty of door space as well, memory seating for up to 3 drivers, your B&O sound system. We have our parking brake, pedal adjusters, your gas cap, lights, tailgate lights, blind spot detection, and your tailgate opener right there. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 39.9 kilometers. Looking at our steering wheel, we have a nice leather-wrapped heated steering wheel. We have our toggle for our main screen there, phone, media, volume and voice, and your cruise control right there. Now looking at our main screen here, we have My View, Trip and Fuel, Truck Info, Towing, Navigation, Phone, Audio, and other settings. Looking over here, you do have a nice leather-wrapped gear shift with your speed adjusters, and it is also collapsible, providing you with a fair bit of storage. With storage here, 2 cup holders, wireless charging pad, USB and USB-C, and this does close. This does open up, providing you with a nice little workbench or a place to put your meal, whatever you like. And you have tons of storage in the center console with the USB and USB-C. You do have your drive modes, rear axle lock, 4-wheel drive, trailer disconnect, Pro Trailer Assist, heated and cooled front seats, as well as a heated steering wheel, 12 volt outlet, 120 volt outlet. Clicking this does open up, and of course you do get storage in your, oh my, if the sun wanted to work, glove compartment down there. You have your volume tune, you have your Pro Power onboard, 360 view of the vehicle, park assist, hazards, and traction control. Now looking at our main screen here, we do have Sirius XM capabilities. You do get that nice Wi-Fi hotspot. You have your phone right there. Navigation, of course. Your vape app, which you can select from here as well. Driving assist, vehicle, Wi-Fi, so on and so forth. And any apps you may have downloaded, such as Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. Settings, such as Sirius XM, sound, and so on and so forth. And features, such as your Pro Power onboard, towing, power flow. And looking above me, you do have your features for your twin panel moonroof, which we did see earlier. And you have a rear window opener, which is pretty handy. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is FC91686, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.